Introduce highlight features or overview summary for MXMZHXU Home Portable Steam Sauna. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 2024 upgraded version, expanded space sauna tent, experience a larger space designed to accommodate taller individuals comfortably. Enjoy a soothing sauna spa experience with our spacious home sauna box, featuring thick thermal cotton to retain heat and prevent heat loss. 3-liter steam pot, faster heating, heats up in just 8 minutes. Higher temperature, reaches a maximum of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Longer steam sauna time, operates for up to 60 minutes. For first-time users, we recommend starting with 15 to 30 minutes. For those accustomed to sauna use, 35 to 45 minutes is advisable. Safety automation. No need to worry if you forget to add water. The steam pot is designed to automatically shut off when the water runs dry, preventing dry burning. Extends the lifespan of the device and enhances your sauna experience. Health benefits. Regular sauna sessions can enhance sleep quality, accelerate calorie burning, relieve muscle soreness, promote healthier skin, and give your skin a clear, radiant glow. The MXMZHXU portable sauna for home will be your best home spa companion. Customizable experience. Add dried or fresh flower petals, essential oils, or ginger to the steam box for a fragrant and soothing atmosphere while you unwind. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.